I baked and decorated a cake, made 4 liters of chin-chin, all in 4 hours. Mind you, I made it from scratch. I had no cake in the freezer whatsoever. From the baking to the frosting, like everything was made from scratch. And I work alone, so I have just 4 hours, 30 minutes to complete this order. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be taking you guys through behind the scene of how I covered this cake and the packaging and everything that went on behind the scene. You know that feeling when you are just praying to God for somebody to order from you? That was my situation. So when this client reached out to me, I was like, can I get a cake by 6 p.m. in the evening? Mind you, the time was already, I think, past 1. So I was like, I'm not going to let this go. I really wanted to work on something, so I had to take the order. Luckily for me, there was light, so that was how I rushed. I measured all my ingredients for vanilla cake, mixed it and pop it right into the oven. While my cake was baking, I started mixing my chin-chin dough. The way I was working this day, I don't even know where I got the strength from. Now, it was one thing for me to mix and bake my cake. It was another thing for me to obviously allow this cake to cool down, because your cake has to be completely cool before you ice it, right? So I don't have a fridge nor a freezer in my cake studio, but thank God my house is like a bit close to my cake studio. So after baking the cake, I have to take it back home so I can put them in the freezer, and then went back to the cake studio to continue with the chin-chin. And I also made the buttercream, this white buttercream that I'm using right now, which I will be using to decorate the cake. This day was not even funny. At a point, I was asking myself, why did I even accept this order? Because there's no help. I work alone. I have to do everything by myself. Nobody to even tell, oh, help me to bring this, help me to wash this, help me to do that. It was not a funny experience. I never thought I could work in such pressure, right? I never thought I would be able, because me, I'm a soft girl. So that I just thank God I was able to like deliver this work. And there's one thing about accepting orders in like short period of time. If you know you are not very good with your skill as a baker, please don't do this. I would not advise any beginner baker or a baker that is not so confident with what he or she is doing to work under pressure. And when I'm working like this, there's something I always do. Mind you, NEPA took the lights, yes. So you guys are going to manage the video like this. I just did not want to stop recording, because I have come this far and there's no going back. With or without NEPA, we are going to film this process, okay? So like I was saying, if you are not so confident in what you are doing, please do not work under pressure. And also, when working under pressure like this, you should have all your recipe written. Yes, don't guess, don't do, I already know my cake recipe, I'm just going to go ahead and no, because you never can tell when you are going to make a mistake. So make sure that you are checking from a written recipe everything you are measuring or adding to your cake. At this point, I was done with the cake. According to my client, she wanted just a simple white cake. Yes, all white cake, and that was exactly what I delivered. I was also done with the chin-chin. I made the chin-chin before covering the cake, so I just spread them out in a tray for it to cool down before I packaged it. So I was packaging the chin-chin at this point. This is a 4-liter bowl of chin-chin. So that was how I got this urgent order, and I was able to complete it within 4 hours 30 minutes, guys. It was a lot, but I thank God for speed and strength. So guys, if this is your first time coming across my channel and you watched till this point, please do well to subscribe to my channel, support me, and yeah, leave your thoughts in the comment section. Okay, please, you guys, when you watch my video, just hit that like button. It helps YouTube recommend my video to more audience. So you guys, please engage on my post, like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. I will see you all in my next video. For now, stay happy, stay blessed, and stay safe. Bye bye.